Hello, Shalom, and welcome to How to Pronounce and Say in Hebrew, and welcome to my new series, Word of the Day, Milat Hayom. And today the word is procedure. And how do we say this in Hebrew? We have two words. One word is a loan word. You see, it looks a bit the same. Procedura. And we've got also a 100% Hebrew word, Nohal. Maha Nohal. What's the procedure? Maha Procedura. Maha Nohal. If you want to know more about Hebrew alphabet and Niqqud and other stuff, I will put links to those lessons in the description box below, and you can watch my other videos. So until next time, להתראות בקרוב. See you soon.